This YouTube video on this channel has gotten over 9 million views in just 1 year. All they do is read motivational stories. And you won't believe this. They make anywhere from $500 to $8,400 a month. In this video, I will show you the full process of how to launch a similar YouTube channel using only AI tools. This means the script is written using AI, the visuals are made using AI, and even the voiceover is done using AI. I came across this idea while scrolling on YouTube for potential faceless YouTube channel automation ideas, and I found this channel which is about motivational short stories. This channel is made by making simple videos like this.
Once upon a time, in ancient China, there lived 3 old monks. Their names are not remembered today.
Now let's make some money, shall we? Step 1. Channel creation. Start by creating the channel, and now we need a channel name. Just go to Google and search for ChatGPT. Click on the first link and log in. Now let's ask ChatGPT to give us 20 unique and creative YouTube channel names about a motivational story channel. These are the results, and there's so much to choose from. I really like Dreams Unleashed. Let's go make it our channel name. Looking good. Now we need our channel logo. Let's go and search for Leonardo AI. Just log in, and we can start creating our logo. Don't worry, this is completely free to use. Let's type man in Zen mode for our logo. I like this one. Let's download it. Let's go back to our channel and upload the logo. For our banner, let's type Nature Mountain, no people, relaxing. This one is good. Now let's go to Canva and make our banner. Just type YouTube banner. Then create a blank YouTube banner. Let's upload the picture we downloaded from leonardo.ai. Just resize it to fit on the canvas. I want to add some call to action text to our banner. Let's ask ChatGPT for ideas. Just type, write me a call to action message for my YouTube banner about a motivational story channel. As always, there are so many to choose from. But let's go for this one and copy it. Now go back to Canva, click text, then add a text box and paste it. You can change the fonts and add effects as you like, but for me, I'm already satisfied with this. Click share, then download it. Now let's head back to our YouTube channel and upload the banner we just created, then click publish. Let's take a peek. Wow, oh that looks amazing. Step 2, video editing. Before we edit the video, we need a script. Let's go back to ChatGPT and type, give me 5 motivation story ideas for someone who is stressed and wants to get inspired and motivated. And as always, ChatGPT will give you some ideas. 1. Embracing change. Inspirational stories of personal transformation. I like this one because it seems interesting. Now that we have our idea, let's ask ChatGPT to write a short story about it. Once it's done generating the story, all you need to do now is just copy the story. And then let's create the voiceover. Let's search for 11labs.io, then log in. This is also free to use, and the voices sound really good. And YouTube will monetize your channel because it sounds like a real human speaking. Just listen to this.
Not what we have, but what we enjoy constitutes our abundance.
Sounds good, right? Now just paste the story that you have generated using ChatGPT, and then select the voice that you want to use. Then click Generate.
Once upon a time, in a small town nestled by the sea, there lived a young woman named Lily.
Download it, and we're done. Now go to Pictory AI and log in for a free account. And then click on Edit Videos Using Text. Now upload the audio that you downloaded from 11 Labs. Click on Proceed and wait for it to finish. Click on Customize Video. You can see that it's already made the subtitles for our video. Now click on Visuals. Let's ask Leonardo.ai to generate girl-motivated embracing change nature. Download the image. Now go back to Pictory AI, upload the image and paste it into the editor. Once you're done, click on Generate Video and download it. Step 3. Thumbnail creation. Go back to Canva and search for YouTube thumbnail. Click Create Blank YouTube Thumbnail. Just upload your image and add some text. You can add some text effects to make your thumbnail stand out. Take your time to create your awesome thumbnail. Now click Share and download the thumbnail. Step 4. Upload video. Let's go to YouTube Studio and upload the video. Put the title of the story in the video. Then let's ask ChatGPT for a video description. Just copy it and paste it into the description box. Now for the tags. Let's ask ChatGPT again for short and long keyword ideas to get views on the video. Just copy the keyword and paste it. Upload the thumbnail and click publish. And boom, everything is done using AI. Congratulations, your YouTube channel is ready. I'm so proud of you. If you learned something and enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and subscribe.